Your future workload? It's just an idea. And that idea is gonna bury you. Look at the 70s. We called him the order taker. Imagine 100 guys typing files on typewriters. Obedient, slow, just one tiny routine task per person. Peace of mind. Fast forward to 2026. Now, 10 people do the job of those 100. Emails, calls, meetings, all compressed into the same 8 hours. Software skills and multitasking are your only weapons. We call this guy the Juggler. Multitasking or die. 2036? That's where it gets dark. You'll be doing the work of 10 people in a heartbeat. Hell, maybe an entire company. Because you are the firm. Your new skills are called context and judgment. You are the architect of an entire system. In 2036, you'll have employees, but they won't be human. There are 64 AI agents, each with a specific role, working for you 24/7. But if you think this means you'll be doing less work, I have to disappoint you. You just get dumped with 10 times the workload. Sorry, no happy ending. Welcome to the future. Subscribe for more reality checks. Meh.